Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix VAN 9090 error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Windows Update. Open it and check if there are any pending updates. If there are, click Download and Install. Keeping Windows updated can solve compatibility issues with Vanguard, Valorant's anti-cheat system. Next, open Windows Security. Go to Device Security, then select Core Isolation Details. If memory integrity is turned on, turn it off and restart your PC. After restarting, go to the search bar again, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now, run the two commands shown in the video description. After both commands finish, restart your PC once again. Now press the Windows key and R together, type tpm.msc, and press Enter. You should see a message saying TPM is ready for use. If prompted, click Clear TPM and restart your computer. Finally, open PowerShell as administrator and paste the Get TPM command provided in the description. If the result shows TPM ready true, everything is set. Launch Valorant, and the VAN 9090 error should now be resolved. So that's basically how you can fix VAN 9090 error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.